guys, what's up, what's good everyone? Happy Monday, and we are back on another live stream, guys, and let's see kung anong mangyayari for today. Monday is the new Friday. Monday is the new Friday? In a sense, yeah, tama ka. Monday is the new Friday kasi dati nung corporate man pa ako, sobrang naglo-look forward ako sa Friday, but now I look forward to Monday. Oh, wow. Pushing higher, guys. Grabe yung momentum sa taas. Ano kaya pwede mangyari dito? This is something I would take. Stay patient for now. Oh no. Ayaw akong i-fail, guys. Oh my god, bro. Okay, failed na ako, guys. And let's see if mag-workout to. Oh my god. I'm gonna lose. Oh my god. There's my first trade of the day. Naghintay ako ng isang oras para matalo within seconds. Down ako ng 14 points and commission. I did my best to be patient and I got slapped in the face. Momentum? Is this the momentum? 10:30 o'clock na, guys. And right now, ano bang iniintay ko? Wala akong maisip kung anong gagawin ko right now. Try ko siyang i-short. Try ko siya here. Naka-micro ako. Gagawin ko yung stop loss ko na 20 points. Oh my god, bro. No way. No way, bro. From my entry point, babalikan niya? Yup, there you go. Stop out. Super brutal. Oh my god. Try ko ulit. I'm in. Currently, 3 micro kasi malayo yung stop loss ko. 50 points. Risking 50 points for potentially 100. Ang invalidation nito, I think, the moment na nag-close tayo back above here again. Hindi ko na gusto tong trade na to. I don't like it. Tatanggalin ko na tong entry ko dito. Okay, as you guys can see, dito ako nag-short. Sayang yung nandito. Kasi ang laki ng position ko dito. Hindi ako na-break even dito. Damn, 100 points na ako. That's 1k in profit. I wish hindi ako nag-break even kaagad at this area. But it is what it is. I'm still up. Push it down. Sana, Lord. Sana ma-push it down to. The worst case is matalo ako dito sa base hit na to. Tapos bumalik sa break even yung trade ko. Layo talaga. Daming beses niya na akong tinis. Hindi ko na iti-take to. Dapat dito pa lang finil na niya ako. Okay, let's go back. Ayaw talaga. Yun yung sign ko na okay, it's time to stop that one. Still on this trade. Break even stop. Pwedeng AMD, no? Balik tayo dito. May consolidation na nangyayari. Pwede niyang i-take tong area na to. Let's say magre-risk ako ng 20 points. Kasi nga 150k naman yung account. Okay, I'm failed, guys. Oh my god. No, no. Don't tell me. Oh! Wait. Isa lang yung hindi na-copy-trade. Okay, hindi na-copy-trade. Oh my god. Hindi na-copy-trade, guys. Nag-6 mini ako sa isang account. Hindi siya na-copy-trade. So, up ako ng 1,400 sa isang account instead na across all accounts. At yun yung isa sa mga struggle. Pag nagtitrade ka ng multiple account, yun din yung dahilan kung bakit minsan meron ako mga account na matataas yung profit, yung iba hindi dahil sa copy trading. So, let's go back. I'm not gonna complain. Panalo na yung isang account na yun. So, it is what it is. Hindi ko tinake tong trade na to just because itong account na to is payout na niya bukas. And ayoko nang bumagsak yung potential payout ko on this account. Push it, baby. Push it. Push it, baby. Push it. Ayan ko na. 20 points na lang. 20 points. Give it to me. Oh my God, bro. Let's go. So, overall, up ako ng $3,083 on the day. I'm not gonna lie, this market environment is definitely tricky and naubos yung mental capacity. So, I should probably call it a day here. Yun na muna yung yun na muna yung trade ko. And see you guys tomorrow again. As usual, I'm gonna be trading my 6 funded account. Actually, 10 funded accounts. So, as you can see ngayon, yan yung current balance ko sa aking mga account. And we'll see how the day goes by for today. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng konting recap. Natalo ako kahapon dito sa account na to. Talo ang $200. Tapos di ko na siya tinrade. And ngayon, yung balance niya 52,100 kasi nag-request ako ng $1,000 payout na approve na yon. Ibig sabihin, good to go na ako dito. So, kailangan ko na lang i-make sure na nagka-copy trade ako. So, there you go. And today, I'm not expecting anything big. I think it's gonna be an inside day. Nice push on this trade so far. Oh, nice. Na-take out na yung high. 15 minutes high. Gusto ko lang make sure na tapos na yung news. Alam ko 10 o'clock yung news, pero bakit parang wala masyadong ginawa. Parang normal na candle lang ang ginawa ng news event. Right here. Okay, I'm about to get filled yata. Oh my god. Ayoko yan. Sobrang aggressive. Wow. Wow, guys. Wow, what a candle. Down ako ng 12 points on that trade. Unfortunately, I took the L. Di ko expect na ganun kalaki yung candle na yon. Noong nagko-consolidate siya ng ganito katagal, naging mas careful na ako. The good thing is, itong mga tinrade ko is yung 150k account and malaki-laki pa yung buffer ng mga to. Mental capacity-wise, I'm still okay. I think I'm fine.
괜찮아요.
We move on to the next. Okay, filled ako, guys. Down ako doon. Another 5 points. So, overall, down ako ng 17 points on the day. Pero hindi ko pa na-hit yung max loss ko. Max loss ko will be at least $500 sa 150k account. Yeah, hindi laging panalo, guys. Ganun talaga. Part of the game. Usually, 0-3. Mas malaki na yung talo ko in terms of PNL eh. Pero today kasi hindi ko pa na-hit yung max loss ko sa 150k account. On the bright side, yung mga account ko na makakakuha ng payout are accounts na hindi natalo na malaki. Natalo na malaki right now is yung mga 150k account. I think magi-stop na ako mag-trade today. Especially bukas is FOMC. Mental health wise, on point pa din naman ako. It's not something I can't come back. And down ako ng 2,200. Kapon up ako ng 3k. So overall on the week, positive pa din ako ng 800. Isa sa mga good news today is nakakuha ako ng payout, which is yung 1k USD sa Apex. And the other thing is itong account ko na natalo. Mga account na 150k. Alright guys, today is ano pa tayo today? 29, FOMC day. Every day bago ka mag-trade, ang unang-una mong gagawin is punta ka sa forexfactory.com. Titingnan mo yung news event. Nag-open yung market kaninang 10:30. Mamayang 2 PM, may federal funds rate. Basically, ang ginagawa nito sa market is nagbibigay siya ng volatility. So today, ang gagawin ko is hindi ako magte-trade ng mga funded account ko today. I-trade ko sila mamayang FOMC. There is, bumili ako ng evaluation para lang sa inyo guys kasi baka meron pa rin ako makitang opportunity, you know. It might not be, alam mo yun, pwede ako mag-take ng trade. Alright, let's get back to this. Let's get back. Okay, 100 points right now si Nasdaq. Then, merong BPR right now kay ES. Okay, malapit na yata tong ma-fill, guys. Malapit na tong ma-fill. Sa totoo lang, gusto ko na tong i-all in eh. Okay, I'm in. Currently short. Okay, take profit is 10 points. Push it lower. Alright, mag-commit na lang ako dito. Push it lower. Alright, konti na lang. Moves, stop loss, break even. Okay. Alright, that was quick. 10 points. Na-slip ako ng konti. So, $1,000 profit on that one. Kunyari, maglulong ako ngayon. O, diba? O, di ako na-fill. Stop loss ko dito sa baba. Lagay natin dito. O, tapos yung take profit ko. Sabi, 03 ako nakapag-enter. Oops, okay. So, talo ako doon. Buti na lang 3 contracts. So, natalo ako ng 675. 10 contracts, tas 3-point stop. Okay, I am filled. Tingnan natin if mag-workout to. Stop loss, break even. Okay. Stop out ako, break even. Nakita nyo ba? Di ko alam if nakita nyo. Pero I'm glad break even ko yun. 10 points yun. Mahapdi-hapdi yun pag natalo ako doon. 1 win, 1 lose, 1 break even. Up ako ng $100 pero yung trailing drawdown ko 1.6 na lang, unfortunately. Okay guys, dapat naging mas patient ako. Dito yung entry. I think possible tong umangat pa, but the thing is trailing yung drawdown. Hindi ako pwedeng maging aggressive. Okay, hindi ako pwedeng mag-aggressive doon guys. Kailangan ko mag-trail ng stop. Otherwise, pwedeng ma-blow yung account ko by being greedy. I'll call it a day. So far, 2 wins, isang break-even, isang loss. 2 wins, isang break-even, isang loss. Guys, meron akong problema ngayon. And wala akong internet. As of right now, nagtitrade ako on this laptop as you can see. And also, dito sa taas, ginagamit ko to as second screen. And this is my third screen, yung iPad ko. Lahat ng yan nakakonect lang sila sa data. I know for myself na kapag ganito, like nasisira yung momentum ko. So, kailangan kong i-keep in mind yung mental ko. Ayaw magpasira ng trading day just because of this issue. So, hopefully, bukas magkaroon ako ng internet. Pero what's important right now is yung nangyayari ngayon sa market. And ang goal ko right now is just, take some profit on this FOMC move. And yeah, I'm gonna try my best to make some profit using laptop and mobile data. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, this PA is blown. Or this eval is blown, guys. Go push. Go push higher. Kaya mo yan, Nasdaq. Go push. Go push, Nasdaq. Go push. Nice. Alright. I just passed an evaluation, guys. Isang account. So, as you can see, pasado ako ng isa. First trade ko on this day. Pumasa ako ng isang evaluation. Now, I have to go to my PA account. So, the focus is yung mga PA account ko for now. And, yun, ito yung tinrade ko kanina live stream. Nakapasa ako ng isang evaluation. So, that's nice. Let's see if I can keep this momentum going. 32. Gusto kong try mag-short dito sa 32. Oops. Okay. Oh, no. Oh my God, bro. Down ako, guys, ng $800. I'll give it one more shot. Matalo pa ako ng isa pang beses. Then I'll call it a day just because hindi ako comfortable sa situation ko ngayon. Wala akong internet. May 4-hour breaker or BPR. Yeah, baka magpupush na to higher, guys, without me. Ito akong mag-long dito sa area na to. Okay, I'm filled. I want to target this high potentially. Yeah, kahit ito lang high na to. Stop to break even. Alright, I'm up $100, which is awesome. So, nabawi ko na yung losses ko, which is amazing. Second trade, nanalo ako ng 20 points on that move. And right now, up ako ng $500. So guys, nag-i-stay ako patiently, waiting for the right setup. I think it's better if magantay na ako ng last 30 minutes of the day, just because of this too much consolidation na nangyayari. Pag ganito ka-consolidated yung market, I prefer not to touch it. Kasi pag ganito, once na nag-reject tayo dito kay dollar and we started to push higher, kapag nag-reject tayo dito sa level na to, I think si Nasdaq mapagsak to ng sobra. There you go. I'm so glad hindi ako nag-take ng trade. Overall, on the week, I'm up $500. Today's session, actually, hindi ganun kaganda yung FOMC. It's been a while since nakita ko ng ganitong price action sa FOMC. Pangit yung power hour. Kanina, down to ng 268. So, nabawi ko sila in one trade. And ito ang mga tinake ko na trade. As you can see, dito sa area na to. I took 2 trades. Yung first trade, dito sa PA, instant loss. Down ako ng 13 points. And then, here, nag-take ako ng long. Right here, tapos nakakuha ako ng 20 points on that trade. Then the rest of the day, wala na akong nakita na trade. And ang total PNL ko, guys, is, as you can see, nakapasa ako ng isang evaluation, tapos $123. That will be my Wednesday for today. So, peace. And yeah, today is another trading day. So, isa sa mga update ko sa inyo is meron na akong 11 account kasi kahapon nakapasa ako ng isang evaluation and inactivate ko na yung account. So, right now, 11 na yung it-trade ko dito sa ating live stream. Alright guys, starting with, syempre kailangan natin tignan ang Forex Factory. So, kahapon FOMC, kanina merong news about unemployment at saka advanced GDP kaninang 8:30. Going forward, ngayong araw, wala nang news. Open na yung market pala, guys. ES pushing higher. Mas malakas si ES right now on the upside. So, ang laki ng gap, no? Isa sa mga rules ko right now kay 930 FVG, dapat pareho silang mag-form. Kung hindi parehong na-form yung 930 FVG, I think hindi ko na siya iti-take. So, since walang 930 FVG itong CES, ito kong itry ito, guys. Maybe 1:1, 20 points. Naka-micro ako kasi malayo yung stop loss ko. Hindi ko na aanuhin hanggang dito sa taas. Kahit dito na lang sa OB ako mag-enter. Tapos yung stop loss ko siguro midpoint. Dadalawang isip ako dito sa trade na to Hindi maganda, guys. Hindi maganda ang kinalalabasan ng aking trade na to Mali ata ang CISD. CISD. Okay? Tanggapin ko na, guys. Talo to. It's okay, I don't regret it at all. Gusto ko pang i-attempt to ng isang beses pa ng short. Kasi kung aangat to, dapat hindi na umabot to sa area na to ngayon. So far, secured pa din yung secured pa din yung $2,200 ko sa Sabado. So natalo ko 400, meron pa rin ako 2,200. May kutob ako na magiging breakaway gap to, guys. 20 points yung initial risk ko. Hold, hold. Hold! Hold, baby, hold! Hold! Okay. Okay na yun. Okay na yun, guys. Kahit na magdire-diretso pa to, okay lang. Okay lang, okay? Ayoko maging greedy. Ano yun? 30 points within 1 minute. Top pick entry. 1:1.5. So, kailangan kong i-remind ko, be grateful, you know? Be grateful. So, what happened? What happened to the market, guys? Nag-pump ulit. Pero honestly, I don't care anong mangyari at this point. I think I'll call it a day. Hindi na ako magpapadala pa sa bugso ng damdamin. I'm okay with this PNL on the day. Ganun talaga. It is what it is. Hindi ko makakatch lahat ng move. Even though na-miss out ko tong potentially 50 points or more. Ito balance ko right now and dapat ganyan pa rin yan bukas. Okay? It's Friday. It's the last day of the month. So, next month is February na. To begin, guys, we have news event kaninang 8:30, which is core PCE index. Kaya may makikita tayo mamaya sa chart na parang weak. Yeah, we'll see, guys. Again, like I said, I'm trading my 11 funded account. We'll see, guys, kung anong mangyayari. Last day na, and usually ang last day may volatility yan. Di ko alam if magkakaroon ng TGIF dito, pero possible, you know? Right now, nagtitrade tayo below the weekly open, tapos yung NWOG. So, another part na tinitingnan ko dito is yung 50%. Let's see. We have the London low, no, na pwedeng itag ng market tas mag-push higher. Market's open. Time to make some money. Money, money, money. Wow. Nice push. Nice push. Ito yung iniisip ko. Itong area na to. I think may possible mag-workout to. Siguro itong OB na to. Problem lang dito, malaki yung invalidation eh. 15 points. Or at least dito sa low. Tsaka medyo nasa premium area siya. Pero magandang ilong to in my opinion. For 10 points. I think maganda to for 10 points. Try ko siyang i-take, guys. 15. So 10 points will be above here. Okay, I'm in long. Tingnan ko if mag-workout tong trade na to. Ang stop loss ko medyo malaki-laki. Oh my god. 13 points ang stop loss ko dito, guys. Sana mag-push to higher. Push higher. Push higher! No! No! No, no, no! Give it to me! Give it to me! Oh my god. Nakaka-stress tong consolidation na to ah. Pag ito umabot ng 5 points, magbe-break even ako. Let's go! Let's go! Kaya ako tinake yung trade na yon. Kasi, eto, nakita ko yung, etong 930 FVG ni ES, nag-trade siya dito. Ang initial entry talaga na gusto ko is actually 930 FVG, tas dito sa OB yung entry, tas ito yung draw. Ayan o, see that? Siguro, mas better na ginawa ko is nag-trail ako ng stop loss. No, mas maganda sigurong ginawa ko yon. Trail ako 5 points, tapos sinayaan ko mag-run. But, it is what it is. Nakakuha na ako ng base it. And yeah, nag-take ako kasi nakikita ko nga yung ES is nagtitrade siya sa 930 FVG. Ito yung sinasabi ko, guys, na minsan, kahit na hindi nakaganda yung entry criteria, as long as nandun yung risk aspect, like nandun yung invalidation, kaya ako tinake yun. So, that was 1K. Masisecure ko na payout is 1,600 plus 1,100. Makakapag-request ako ng payout bukas ng $2,700. So, that was a solid. Hindi na ako magtitrade today sa mga account na yon. It's time to party.